Welcome to Shop and Take Review, and this is the comparison video between the Mi 4 and the Infocus M810. This is now at reduced price at 13,000 rupees, and this is at 10,000 or 11,000 rupees, available in Snapdeal or Amazon.in. So both the device is priced nearly same, and both the device configuration nearly same. This device is powered by Snapdragon 801, and this device is also powered by Snapdragon 801. And Mi 4 has got a 3 GB RAM, while it has got a 2 GB RAM, and it displays 5.5 inch, and this is a 5-inch display. Both the device displays full HD. So, and this device is powered by 3000 mAh battery, and while this Infocus M810 is powered by 2600 mAh battery, and this is 4G supported. This is not 4G supported. Mi 4 does not support 4G in India as of now. And this Infocus M810 does support a SD card, micro SD card up to 64 GB, but the Mi 4 does not support micro SD card. So that's overall configuration of these two devices. And first of all, now take a look at the build quality of this device. So this is the Infocus M810. It has got a 13 megapixel camera. Both the devices got a 13 megapixel camera, while the Mi 4 has got 8 megapixel on the front, and the Infocus M810 has got 5 megapixel on the front. And so this is the overall configuration of these two devices. And build quality, when it's come to build quality, Infocus looks quite premium, not bad at all, and I can definitely say that the Infocus looks quite premium. And this device is quite big to my opinion, because it's a 5.5-inch display, plus there is a lot of bezel. So I don't like this much heavy bezels in phones, but this mobile is a 5-inch display, and it does fit in your pocket very easily. And this mobile was slippery in hand, so I have applied a flip cover into it, so you can see. So that's it. And this both the devices is quite same in performance, I can say that. And this device, both the devices scored, this device scored 42,000 in benchmark, and this in Antutu benchmark, and this device scored about 43,000 in Antutu benchmark. So performance will be quite same for both the devices, you can see that. And let me show you by opening this Flipkart app, both the devices. Let's see which device open it first. So this device does open it first quite, because it has got a 3 GB RAM. So there will be very slight difference in performance there in these two devices, because both the devices powered by same processor. So that's one more thing. And so I will have to decide it by other things, that the camera and other things. So when it's first of all, let's come to display. So display quality is, both the devices powered by 1080p display. So the display quality is quite better, and here in Mi 4, because it's a 441 ppi display, while the Infocus M810 has got a 5.5-inch display. So the display ppi is reduced to 401, as I remember. So this display is quite much better. And you can see that viewing angles in both the devices are very good, and you can see it from everywhere. Both the devices is quite same, and viewing angles are quite good in both the devices. So that's one more thing. So now let's come to camera performance. So when it's come to camera performance, I can say that this Mi 4 has a better camera, and compared to the Infocus M810, because let me show you the same picture. Yes, that is the Mi 4 picture, and that is the picture taken with the Infocus M8. The same picture, you can see that the details and noise are less here in Mi 4, but here is details and noise are more. So that I can even say that the camera is better on this Mi 4, and the camera is much faster, and camera does focus much faster. Camera is better on the Mi 4, and the battery, when it's come to battery performance, the battery is much better in Mi 4, and because this has got a in on-screen time, you will get a on-screen time of 5 hours, or 4.5 hours to 5 hours in Mi 4, while in Infocus M810 you will get only a 3.5 hour battery backup. So battery backup is not that good in Infocus M810, while the Mi 4 does perform very much better, and the call quality in Mi 4 is excellent, I can say that. And in Infocus M810 the call quality is good, or you can say that is good, but it's not excellent. So definitely in terms of call quality, Mi 4 goes ahead. And in terms of performance, so when it comes to, so when it's come to UI performance, both the devices is not that very good, I would like to say. Because and this in Infocus M810 you will go get quite stock Android like experience, but in Mi 4 there is a different UI. It's running on MIUI, that's very much customized. You will get lot of themes. So it's your personal choice that you will love MIUI or not. But while in Infocus M810, while in Infocus M810 there is a quite stock like Android like experience. And I can say that both the devices has RAM management in both the devices is not that great. And so in RAM management both the devices is quite bad, I would like to say that, not very good. And so that's one more thing. And when it's come to the sound quality, and the speaker is there in Mi 4 here. And while the speaker is here in Infocus M810, I would like to say that the speaker quality in Infocus M810 is not that great, and it's quite average, not very good. And when it's come to Mi 4, the speaker output is much better, I would like to say. It's not very louder, but still it's performs better, it's perform better. So that's one more thing. So this is all the things that I mentioned. And one more thing is that me is, in fact Xiaomi is now come to India in last, sorry, I remember that last August or might be July. So it is now more than 1.5 years. So now, so nearly to 1.5 years. So and they have already opened some service centers. And they have now started their door-to-door pickup option for service. And but in Infocus, it's I am not sure about the after sale services. It's a very new brand in India, so I am really doubtful now about the service centers. So that's one more thing. So it's now which is the best winner, you will say that if you like a better in terms of camera, in terms of battery, and in terms of display quality, I would like to say that Mi 4 slightly goes ahead. And while in terms of battery it really goes ahead, but in terms of other things it just goes slightly ahead. But when it's come to your if you need 4G, if you need a if you are a very heavy user, you would like to use videos, you like to carry videos in your mobile and other stuffs, and if you need much more memory, so then this will be a better option for you. And if you like big display mobile, in fact big mobile, so then the Infocus M810 uh, will be your first choice. So I hope that this video helps you. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, or and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next video.